Kajing pa juki siren lani kita kajing maham hasua ban ther ki namding na de ban ther bom makam ju kajing thai bom kapor min biet kadai ka belajar matala sistem la kalong apa Israel ba kamjuru apa Lebanon naga daw katma prengki Hezbollah bat ki sipai Israel hadin ba ki sipai IDF kila ther ting ya kan Nongbah dahia kabri ka headquarter joki Hezbollah lani kita ka jakaburi ki bom ba kamjuru ka jakashong joki top commander joki Hezbollah Bynta Israel ka sang man phai khmat sipang Beirut khamtam e ka Bynta ka sipang Shatei ka bakan therting e ka di ka Nongbah namba ki don cheka buri ter thma ka Shatei ha ni ka jaka
In an unprovoked attack, Hezbollah began firing at Israel. The heart of Hezbollah operations is in the Dahia. Dahia isn't just another area in Lebanon. Hezbollah itself treats it as a de facto military base. Hezbollah has closed off the Dahia area in Beirut, and it controls who goes in and who goes out. In recent weeks, we have conducted precise airstrikes on a number of significant targets there. It was in the Dahia that we eliminated Hassan Nasrallah inside Hezbollah's headquarters underneath civilian buildings. It was in the Dahia that we destroyed a large stockpiles of advanced surface-to-sea precision-guided missiles. And it was in the Dahia that we destroyed weapons production facilities and struck Hezbollah intelligence headquarters underneath civilian buildings. The Dahia in Beirut is Hezbollah's stronghold.
נגיע לכל אחד, לכל מקום ונעשה כל מה שנדרש כדי להחזיר את החטופים ותושבי הצפון הביתה.
Hezbollah has heeded the call by its allies and essentially joined the fighting between Hamas and Israel.
Since Hezbollah joined the war on Israel, what has the IDF accomplished? We dismantled his leadership, including eliminating arch-terrorist Hassan Nasrallah. We conducted over 2,000 strikes on Hezbollah weapons and infrastructure. We're operating across the Middle East to cut off Hezbollah's weapons supply chain. We began precise and limited ground operations in Lebanon, eliminating at least 440 Hezbollah terrorists in a week. We destroyed hundreds of meters of Hezbollah tunnels that were intended for use in an October 7th style attack on Israel. We exposed major missile stockpiles in the heart of Lebanon, further revealing the extent to which Hezbollah is using Lebanese civilians as human shields, and we destroyed the weapons. We'll never stop fighting until 60,000 evacuated Israeli civilians are able to return to their home.
Kani kadi kajing Ther Jong Israel menen ngi Nongbah Beirut khamtam ya ki Bynta ki Shatei jong ni kan Nongbah da kajing thu pinjan da thausan don ya ka jaka song juki Hezbollah hakani kajing Ther le thu kamba arngot ki commander jong ki Hezbollah ki layam at chispa arfu ngot ki pat kilaman sa
يعطيك العافية.